Hey guys, this is the welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you this good news. This is the Bose headset. This broken, this the overcharge. So now it 40 is the bracket headset. This Bose phone is the old phone made in China. So now what this broke this headset, this Bose headset. So now this is the headset is broken. This the air is the Bose headset water broken for China, for Malaysia, for Indonesia. So now it is the Bose headset is broken, and it's overcharged. And thanks guys for watching. See you next video. Bye.